Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and here we are looking at Bellmead Subdivision in December of 1996. It was a very cold day. It was like -6 degrees, and we decided to see what our subdivision area looked like from the air. So we jumped in our airplane and we climbed up to 17,800 feet, right below the IFR limit, and took some pictures. We took them of Bellmead Subdivision outside of Loveland, Ohio, and then as we were descending, before we started down, we flew up to Brookville, 60 miles away, took pictures of Brookville from 18,000 feet basically, and began our slow descent back home to land at Blue Ash of the day. So we hope you find all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have fun viewing these. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.